Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn how to export your video in Premiere Pro. Let's start. First way is very simple. Make sure you have your sequence selected in project panel in case there are multiple sequences. If wrong one is selected, it will export that one. See, I am exporting nature sequence and it has selected nature sequence now. After this, simply click on this icon, quick export. Here you can choose the location where you want to place the video. Select save. And in this drop down we have preset. Select anyone according to the quality which you want. I will choose adaptive medium bitrate. Then simply click on export. It will take some time. Second way to export is go to file and export media. Or you can simply press Ctrl M. It will open same tab. Here you will find more settings. You can change them according to your project. Choose location from here. We can now directly import our footage from Premiere Pro to different social media platforms. Simply what you will have to do is sign in from your account and your clip will be directly uploaded. Change these settings and simply click export. You can also send the file to media encoder. Simply press on send to media encoder. It will open the app. Change the format and the preset according to the quality of your footage. Choose the location to save video from here and then simply press this play icon. It will render your video. Benefit of rendering file in media encoder is you can work on your other projects in Premiere Pro while the file is being rendered. It will save your time. Hope you liked the video. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel and comment down which tutorial I should add next. Bye.